Hello class 4 students, welcome to my new session. In my today's session, I am going to start a new topic of mathematics, that is subtraction. Students, subtraction, before starting this topic in my session, I want to clear a few terms that are related to subtraction. The first one is minute. The larger number from which we subtract the other number is called the minute. The second term is subtrahend. The number which is subtracted. And the third one is difference. The result of subtraction is called the difference. Let me clear you with this example. Let's take one example. Your number is 73 minus 20, right? So here let me write these numbers in column A. So here this is the bigger number, so the larger number, the bigger number, this is called a minute, right? The number which is subtracted here, 20 is subtracted from 73, so it becomes a subtrahend. And let me find out the difference. 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 2 is 5. So this 53 is called the difference. So these are the three main topics, three main terms of the subtraction. I hope you understand. Minute, larger number, subtrahend, smaller number, and difference, the result of subtraction is called the difference. So this example is also there just to understand these three terms. Okay students, after discuss the three terms, minute, difference and subtrahend, now come to the methods of subtraction. There are again two methods of subtraction. In this class, students, in previous class you have learned how to subtract a 3-digit number, but in this class, in class 4, we are going to just learn how to subtract a 4-digit and 5-digit number with these two methods. First, I just want to clear the two methods, the without borrowing methods and with borrowing methods. Here first I want to give you the rule of the first method, without borrowing method. The rule: arrange the digit of subtrahend under those of minute in the place value chart. Always, and the second rule is always subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Right? These are the two rules, and the steps, there are following steps also. Step 1, start subtracting the ones. This is the step 1. Then step 2 is then subtract the tens. Step 3 is subtract the hundreds, and the step 4 is subtract the thousand. These are the 4 steps when we have to subtract a 4-digit number. If we have to subtract a 5-digit number, then one more step is there, subtract the lakh place also. So these are the following steps, and the rules are same for everyone, whether you are using the without borrowing method or with borrowing method, whether you are doing the 4-digit number subtraction or a 5-digit number subtraction. The rules are common, the rules are same for each type of questions. Steps may be changed according to the digits. If a 4-digit numbers are there, then these are the following steps. If 5-digit number are there, then one more step is added to these steps. So let's take one example. Okay students, now the rules are discussed, the steps are discussed. Now let's take one example. Subtract 1607 from 8799. First of all, student, you have to recognize which one is the minute and which one is the subtrahend. So as we discussed, the bigger number is the subtrahend. So this is the minute here, and this is the subtrahend here. First of all, according to rule, arrange the digits in subtrahend under those of minute. So let's start the solution here. For that, we have to write the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Make a column here just to make give one line space here. So this is the minute, so write this number. Start writing from ones place: 9, 9, 7, 8. And this is the subtrahend, so write this number under minute: 7061. Let's start the subtraction here. According to the first rule, we have to start from the ones place. So subtracting ones is 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now the next step is subtract the tens. So 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0 is again 9. Now move to the 100 place. 7 minus 6 is 1. And finally we have the last number, last place, that is 1000 place. 8 minus 1 is 7. So student, this is a 4-digit subtraction and without borrowing method. Here we are not taking any number from, we are not taking any help from the other place. So this method is called without borrowing method, in which the steps are same. First start from the ones place, then tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. I hope you understand how to subtract a 4-digit number. Okay student, let's take one more example. Subtract. Now this time this example is of a 5-digit number. My last example is 4-digit number. How to subtract a 4-digit number without borrowing method. Again we are going to just explain this method with 5-digit number. Again the rules are same students. Arrange the digits of subtrahend. So which one is subtrahend and minute? First you have to recognize this. The bigger number, this is the bigger number, so this is a minute. And this is the smaller number, so this is the subtrahend. First of all, you have to write the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1000 and lakh. Why lakh? Because this is a 5-digit number. Make a column here. Then start writing the bigger number on the top. So this is the bigger number. Start writing from this side. All the digits are 5. And the next minute is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start subtracting. Again the steps are same. First of all we have to start subtracting from the ones place. 5 minus 5 is 0. Come to the next tens place, that is 5 minus 4, that is 1. The next third place is hundreds place. Subtracting the hundreds place, that is 5 minus 3 is 2. Move on to the thousand place. 5 minus 2 is, again here is 3. Now finally let's come to the lakh place. Now we have to subtracting the lakh place digits, that are 5 and 1. After subtracting 1 from 5 we got 4 here. So student, I think this is clear. This is a minute, this is a subtrahend and this is called the difference. I hope you understand all these subtraction. This is the method of without borrowing method. Okay student, now I have discussed 2 examples, that is one is the 4-digit number, second is the 5-digit number. I hope you understand without borrowing method. What we have learned today students, we have learned the 3 terms of subtraction, that is minute, subtrahend and difference, and one method of subtraction, that is without borrowing method. How to subtract without 4-digit and 5-digit method without borrowing method. I hope you understand all the rules and the steps of subtracting the numbers. This with borrowing method student I will be explaining in my next session. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.